Hi there, so we have a new update for you, which means you now can create data planners much easier and faster on Planify Pro, and I will quickly show you how you can do that. So step 1, let's go to Planify Pro and first choose a weekly planner, and I will just search or type in weekly planner 2-page, and then I will just pull up a random weekly planner we have here. For example, this one right here, so replace to workspace, and it should now add the weekly planner. So here is how the weekly planner template looks like. It's a weekly planner that has a schedule on the left side and a daily boxes on the right side from Monday to Sunday. You can choose any weekly planner you have. Let's say you previously created a weekly planner and have it saved in the collection. You can also open that one and then create a data planner out of that template. So now that you have the weekly planner open, you will have to add the dated flags or the data widgets to these individual boxes here. So to do that, you can click on the first box, which is Monday, and then you can go to the setting panel, and you will have to scroll down until you see add dated widget over header or add a date flag over the widget. Now if you click select on that one, it will add you a date flag like this. If you click on none, it will remove it. You can also add it to the widget like this, and it will add a date above the widget. So you can choose between both of them, which one you prefer. I will add a date flag for this video. So click on top, and now to further customize this date flag, you can click on it, and then this window here should show up. And then from here you can select the style or type of the dated widget, and for example you can have it with a date and the month below, or you can only have the date and the day, or you can have them next to each other like this one here. So choose whatever style you prefer, and I will stick with this one here. Let me select this one here. Okay. And then next you can go to size, and here is where you can further customize how big the date flags should be. Then you can also adjust how far they should go from the edges of the widget. You can also bring them a tiny bit down like this, and maybe make them a tiny bit smaller or less wide like this. And if you want, you can also have them aligned from the bottom. So here you can click on bottom, and then you can align them from here down here below. But I will have it aligned from the top for this video, and for demonstration purposes I think this is okay. So now that you chose a date flag you like, you can copy paste this widget to any other widget. So click on copy, and before we do that, let me quickly reduce the amount of rows so that looks good. So copy it and then add it to all the other widgets, or replace that widget with all the other ones. But once we added this widget to all boxes, we will have to change the headers. So let me quickly do that. Tuesday, Wednesday. Well, actually you don't have to add a header. I just saw that the Monday is already displayed within the flags, so it doesn't really make sense that you have Monday twice. So what we actually could do is just remove the header, and then maybe have them aligned from the top like this, and that should be fine too. Okay, so let me remove all the headers from the widgets. You can click on the widget, and here it should say hide header. Then you can click on it and it should hide the header of all widgets. Okay, so let me quickly also change the styling. To maybe something that looks like this. So now this isn't the prettiest planner. I've created prettier ones. To make this header here stand out a bit more, let me quickly change the inside color to gray or maybe pink. Okay, there we go. So this is how it looks like. Now once you have the flags applied to all widgets, what you would want to do next is change the dates of all widgets. So when you click on it, the first option will be date, and today we have November 12th, but let's create this planner for starting November 15th. Okay, November 15th, which is a Monday. Then the next date would be November 16th, November 17th, November 18th, 19th, 20 and 21. So once you set the date correctly to all widgets and once page 1 looks correct, what you now can do is open the workspace and now create the planner for the next week. And this step is very easy. The only thing you need to do is click on duplicate page and then click on, now you're on page 2. You see page 2 is highlighted, so it automatically will jump to page 2. Then you can click on the widget, on the date, and now scroll down here below and click on add 7 days. Now by clicking on add 7 days, it will create this exact planner for the next week. So let's click on add 7 days and now let's check. So on page 1 we had starting Monday 15th to Sunday 21. Now this means that on page 2 it should continue on Monday 22, which is correct. 23, 4, 5, 26, 27, 28. And now again, just click on duplicate. It will automatically open you the third page, so you don't have to do anything anymore. Click on the date, click on add 7 days, and there you go. Duplicate, click on it, add 7 days, done. Now this should already be December. Then you can close it. Let's duplicate, click on it, add 7 days, and then let's duplicate again, and so on, add 7 days. And you can create as many pages as you want. So right now we have 6 pages. We are now at December 26. If you're not sure, you can also click on any date flag and you can check in the calendar. So yes, we are in December 2021 on day 26. Now if you want, you can duplicate it again and click on it, add 7 days, and there you go. So now we've created a planner starting Monday 15th November, ending in December. No, actually it's ending January 2nd on a Sunday. So once you create your data planner, the next step would be to click on batch generate. Select the paper size you're printing on. For example, I'm printing on A4, and then click on rearrange pages. And I actually have a video explaining how to export the planner, and I will link this video below so you can check it out and learn more on which option you should select when you're exporting multiple pages. And there I also explain you what the difference is between rearrange and do not rearrange. But for this video, right now I will click rearrange A4 and then give it a new name, November 2021 till December, and then click to generate the PDF and give it a few minutes to load the planner. Now this is how the PDF file looks like, and I will quickly print this planner out and also cut it and show you how the end product looks like. So here is how the printed PDF file looks like, and I will have to apologize, I'm so sorry, but I actually forgot to include a cover to page 1. So now it created me a cover with this first page being the back and the front cover, like you see here. And so when you create a planner, make sure that you start on the second page here, and make sure you leave page 1 out if you don't want to have a cover, else it will not export you the planner correctly. But if you follow the tutorial so far, what you can do now is you can go to page 7, you can click on duplicate page, or you can also click on add page on page 8, and then you can go to layout and add a big layout like this one here. You can click on it and then go to miscellaneous and scroll down until you see the empty widget, and then make this field or this page blank, and then you can copy paste it to the left, to the right side, and here you go. So this is an empty cover, and to bring this page up to the first position, you can click on this triangle here and then move it up like this. So here you go. So page 1 should be empty, and then page 2 is where the planner starts with Monday 15, like we did in the tutorial. So I apologize again for the mistake. I hope you didn't print out the planner, but yeah, always remember to have a cover included. So this was how to create data planners on Planify Pro. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or Facebook anytime, and I will try to respond to questions as quickly as I can. Bye!